In this video, I want to talk about how you can get a discount on Temu. Now, actually, there's quite a lot of ways that you can do this, so let me just quickly go through all of them. So the first one is if you're a new user, most likely you're going to get a big sign-up bonus. So when you create your account, you will usually get a big discount bonus. There will also be a first order discount, so the first time that you purchase something. And sometimes there will be an app download bonus just for when you download it, even if you already have an account. The next one will be coupon codes, and you can just search online. Just search Temu coupon codes and then type the date. And you can also check for inside of the app. Now, sales and promotions is basically flash sales. So these will usually pop up on items and it will show like 75% discount and stuff like this. And then seasonal sales, which will be during holidays or Black Friday or Christmas and stuff like this. Now, the other ways is referrals. This is basically just the Temu affiliate program. You can sign up to this. It takes a few minutes. And then you can send these links to people and you can get discount or you can get money. Now, another one is the in-app games. So if you play the games like Wheel of Fortune and stuff like this, you can get big discount codes. And the last one will be social media. And this also includes email. So if you're on the Temu email list, usually they will send out like big discount stuff. And that's about it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.